What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your Philips Google TV. Now, over here is my Philips 55-inch Google TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of Philips Google TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to download and install any app you want into your Philips Google TV. Now basically, I'll be taking you through 3 ways you can download and install apps into your Philips Google TV. First, I'll be showing you how to download and install apps from the apps section of your Philips Google TV. Then for the second method, I'll be showing you how to open up the Google Play Store and download and install apps into your Philips Google TV. And then finally, I'll be showing you how to download and install third-party apps that are not on the Google Play Store into your Philips Google TV. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that your Philips Google TV is actually connected to the internet, and mine currently is connected to the internet. For the first method to download and install apps into your Philips Google TV, basically from the top bar over here, you want to navigate to the app section over here. Now from the app section, you just want to scroll downwards to this input field over here, then go ahead and search and download any app you want into your Philips Google TV. So take for instance, if you want to download and install the VLC media player app, you can just go ahead and search for VLC. Now this search input fields automatically and directly searches the Google Play Store. So once you just type VLC and then click on the search icon over here, this will automatically search the Google Play Store and give us results for VLC from the Google Play Store. Over here is the app, so I'll just go ahead and select it. Now at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the install button and then just give the TV some few seconds, and this particular app will be downloaded and installed into your Philips Google TV without any issue. Once it is downloaded and installed, you can as well just go ahead and open it up by selecting the open option over here, and automatically we now have the app running smoothly on our Philips Google TV. Another way to download and install apps into your Philips Google TV is basically from the Google Play Store. And to open up the Google Play Store on your Philips Google TV, basically you just want to head over to this search icon at the top of your Philips Google TV. So from the home, you want to navigate to the search icon over here, then go ahead and search for Google Play Store. So just type Google Play or Google Play Store. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom over here. Now this will automatically open up the Google Play Store app for us on our Philips Google TV. Now like you already know, in most Google TVs there is no Google Play Store app, but as you can see, this actually opens up the Google Play Store app. So we can now navigate through the Google Play Store app and look for any app we want and then download and install it into our Philips Google TV. At the bottom we have different categories, so you can go ahead and select any category you want and you'll be able to find all of the apps under that specific category. At the top of the Google Play Store, there is also the opportunity for you to be able to find games app. So you can literally see games app at the top over here, so you can download any game you want into your Philips Google TV as well. Now let's take for instance, if we want to download and install the MX Player app, we'll just select it from the Google Play Store, click on the install button as we did in the first method, and this particular app will be downloaded and installed into our Philips Google TV without any issue. Now, the final method to download and install apps on your Philips Google TV, which is usually what a lot of people are more interested in, is to be able to download and install third-party apps that are not on the Google Play Store or even on the app section of your Philips Google TV into the TV. Now for this method, basically what you want to do is to head over to this app section of your Philips Google TV. So just come over to this app section, then scroll down to this input field over here. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. It's a very popular app and we are going to be using it to install other third-party apps that are not on the Google Play Store or the App Store of our Philips Google TV. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the search icon over here. This will automatically open up the Downloader app for us as well. Now what you just want to do is to make sure you select this Downloader app by AFTV News, and then make sure you download and install it into your Philips Google TV. Mine is already downloaded and installed, so I'll go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And basically this is how the home page of the Downloader app looks like. What you want to do at this point is to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of your Downloader app. So come over to this browser tab over here, click on it, and you're going to get this nice looking browser. Now from the top of the browser, you want to go ahead and enter this input field. clear up everything inside of the input field, and then you want to search for the specific third-party app you want to be installed into your Philips Google TV. So take for instance, if we want to download and install the Facebook app, even though it is not on the Google Play Store of our Philips Google TV, we'll just go ahead and type Facebook then APK. So any third-party app you want on your Philips Google TV, then add APK at the back. Go ahead and click on this enter button over here, then click on go at the top. Now this will automatically go through the Google search results and give us some of the websites we can actually download and install that third-party app APK into our Philips Google TV. At this point, you just want to scroll downwards and look for any of the reliable websites you can actually get that third-party app APK from the internet. In this case, since we are downloading and installing the Facebook app, I'll just go ahead and select this official Facebook website over here. And on the website, you want to go ahead and look for the download button. This is the Facebook website, so you can literally see the Facebook download APK button. I'll go ahead and select that, and automatically that third-party app APK will start downloading and installing into our Philips Google TV. And once the download is completed, basically you want to go ahead and click on the install button over here, and the app will just automatically start installing into your Philips Google TV. But if you're using the downloader app for the first time, you might actually get the prompt to give downloader permission to install apps from unknown sources into your Philips Google TV. Just go ahead and give it that permission, and you should be taken to the installation page that looks just like this. At this point, you just want to navigate to the install button and then click on install. Once it is done installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And just like so, we now have a third-party app that is not on the Google Play Store running smoothly on our Philips Google TV without any issue. Remember, you can literally do this for any app you want on your Philips Google TV, and trust me, it is going to work perfectly well for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.